NASA considers the idea of sinking the ISS in January 2031, according to the space agency's calculations based on budget estimates. The station's operation would last until 2030. And then it should be removed from orbit and sent to the graveyard of spaceships in the South Pacific. NASA has recovered the Hubble telescope after a major month-long failure. It has returned to full scientific work. The telescope had been in safe mode since October 23 due to a malfunction caused by problems synchronizing the instruments with the telescope's internal data exchange systems. No full-fledged scientific observations have been made since then. After the failure, the team gradually put the telescope's instruments back into operation: the ACS, Advanced Camera for Surveys, camera, the WFC-3 camera and the COS spectrograph. The specialists also used the NICMOS spectrometer, near-infrared camera and multi-object spectrometer, to search for the source of synchronization errors. The telescope no longer uses this instrument in its work. NASA is about to figure out how astronauts wash clothes in space. While aboard the ISS, astronauts wear laundry and clothes until things get dirty and then throw them away. In partnership with a major powder manufacturer, NASA expects to find a method of cleaning clothes in space so they can be reused, just like on Earth. NASA scientists spend about $12 million to manufacture each spacesuit used for off-ship operations. Neptune is the 8th and farthest planet from the Sun by far. It was discovered by mathematical calculations. Only once has a spacecraft visited the orbit of this distant icy giant. It was Voyager 2 in 1989. Neptune's atmosphere is mostly hydrogen and helium, as well as hydrocarbons, nitrogen and methane, which is the cause of the planet's blue color. What do neutron stars look like? Such stars are far too small and distant to be imaged at all. Nevertheless, the first maps showing the positions and sizes of hot spots on the surface of a neutron star have recently been created. For this purpose, simulations of X-ray amplifications and attenuations due to the rotation of the star have been carried out. Newly discovered glow of Martian atmosphere defies simple explanation. Scientists from the Mars mission, launched by the UAE, have observed a wavy, snake-shaped atmospheric glow that stretches over half of the red planet's surface. This discovery of a wavy, discrete atmospheric glow, which was observed high in the atmosphere and is the result of the interaction of solar radiation with magnetic fields. The intensity of the magnetic field of Mars is heterogeneous, and, in some places, it lacks field at all, so it is difficult to track the glow of the atmosphere on this planet.